when you go to a concert, let's say you want to go and listen Yo-Yo Ma in the cello or Lang Lang in the piano or whoever, of course you expect that they play very well their instrument. It's their career, it's their craft. They practice, I don't know, 8-9 hours a day. But what really gives you goosebumps, what probably will make you cry during that performance, is the passion that they're going to put into what they're doing. No, so in music that is absolutely evident. So an example I could use with music is, for example, of the soundtrack of this Italian movie called Cinema Paradiso, beautiful Italian movie,
Beautiful
from
movie.
the 80s, Ennio Morricone. And I'm going to play a little bit of that Cinema Paradiso theme 2 times. The first time I'm going to do it just as Morricone wrote it, but doing it as a machine, with no feelings, no passion,
Like a
no
robot.
emotions, no love. And the second time I'm going to play it trying to put emotions and passion and love into it. And the sound, the result, it's completely different. It's the same notes, no? So played as a machine, it would sound something like this. Okay, but now if you do it the way Morricone intended it to be, it's going to sound something like this. So it's completely different, but it's the same notes.
Yeah.
And in your jobs, in what we do every day, we can do exactly the same. We can go there, arrive on time, leave on time, do what the job description tells us, but it's our decision to do it as a machine, just doing it good enough, but not in an extraordinary way. Or we can put our passion, our love, all of our effort into it, go the extra mile and do something really extraordinary. So through passion and love, the ordinary ceases to happen and the extraordinary starts to happen. And this is super important in the corporate environment because it is only passion and love what drives innovation.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below and subscribe while you're at it.